Hey guys, we're back and now I'm going to show you how to do a slime video. Yeah. First, you will need some shaving cream. Yeah. And next, you'll need soap. Some green apple soap or whatever. Some soap for the bathtub. Yeah. We use it first. And you add them both together. Yeah. And when you mix it, maybe it'll work with different shaving creams and soaps. I'm not so sure. Yeah. When you and then you start mixing. Wait, I gotta add a little bit more. A little bit more. We use soap to wash your hair, right? Yeah. And next, we'll just mix it. Yeah. Mix it and mix it and mix it. And you'll see that it starts to form like a slime, see? It's not like a gooey substance anymore. Now, see? It's not gonna stick. But you could use your hands. But if you use your hands, they cannot be dry. They have to be wet. They have to be wet. See, my hands are wet right now? Yeah. My hands are wet right now. Now, look. Here on. Now I could touch the slime. Well, but you can't play with it outside or it'll become like this. Yeah. Like you can't play with it too much. Like on your palms like this, you dump it out and you play with it like that. You can't play with it like that. Yeah. You could use one hand or two hands to mix it up and play with it, but you can't you can't just play with it like make bubbles. You can't do that because it will stop forming a slime and it just won't work. Yeah. So you just have to keep mixing and then you see that it actually is kind of a slime. Yeah. You mix it and then you mix it and then see, it starts to come off the edges really easy. And when you touch it, when your hand's like moisture, you can feel like it's like a slime texture. Yeah. So that is it for this episode. Yeah. See you in the next episode, guys. Yeah.